आई एम लाइक भैया चलोगे सर, आप जिधर बोलोगे मैं जाऊँगा, बस आप मेरा बात सुनो। क्या हो भाई सर, बात सुनो, मैं अभी हैंडल खींचेगा, ठीक है, मैं हैंडल खींचेगा, जैसा ही मैं हैंडल खींचा आपको कूदना है ऑटो में।
So he comes to us and he's like, "This bus go Suchitra?" And we're like, "Clearly, yes." And
Are you Suchitra? No? Then what's your name? Hi.
So auntie has come. She said, pour rum in her ear.
Yeah, like half a cap of.
Half a cap.
Half a cap.
Okay, not 30.
Of old monk rum.
नहीं पूरा पे.
You have to put coke with that.
Plain, neat.
प्लीज चकना भी डाल ले थोड़ा साइड में।
चकले
आइस क्यूब घुसाने
पापड़ कान में जनता मार खुल गया।
अभी मेरे कान में बिल्कुल दर्द नहीं है।
Hello and welcome to another episode of Tis Maa Kasam, a show where you'll hear unreal stories from real people. Stories that make you go, माँ कसम ये सच है।
माँ कसम कौन साथ कौन खिलाफ है, माँ कसम कौन है भाई कौन सांप है, माँ कसम भाई तचारा रहे भाईचारा, माँ कसम हुआ जो भी उसके जिम्मेदार सिर्फ।
So it's uplifting in the sense that I'm alive. It's terrifying.
We wanted to end the show on a high note.
Yes. It's terrifying in the sense that it involves an animal in a city and not a very friendly one. Some years ago, I used to work at a VFX studio, and this used to be in Royal Palms, all the way inside RA.
Context
If you
for
think-
people outside of Bombay, Royal
Yeah.
Palms is an area where
All
there's
the
a lot
way
of palms.
inside RA. फिल्म सिटी इधर है, जंगल इधर है, और उसके ठीक बीच में है रॉयल पाम्स।
जंगल है, जंगल।
हाँ जंगल है, जंगल प्रॉपर जंगल है भाई।
This is inside Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Okay,
वेरी
essentially.
मच वेरी मच। सो हम लोग का कैसा था कि 12:30 बजे लेडीज़ को पहला ड्रॉप मिलता था, 1:30 को हमको, फिर उसके बाद सीधा 3:30। अभी 1:30 का मेरा ड्रॉप मिस हो गया। एक फिल्म कर रहा था जिससे मेरे को नफरत थी, तो मेरे को जाने का था घर। सो आई वाज लाइक चलो उबर करते हैं। नॉट हैपनिंग। 2 बजे जंगल के अंदर कौन सा चूतिया ड्राइवर आएगा, बराबर।
फिर लायन आ रहा है, बताओ क्या हो रहा है।
क्लोज इनफ बट लेट्स वेट फॉर दैट। सो मैं उतरा नीचे, शाना देखो वाह, जाके मैं बस लेगा। 2 बजे रात का चूतिया, बस तो मिलने नहीं वाला तेरे को। तो मैं देखता हूँ कि फर्दर डाउन अवे फ्रॉम सिविलाइजेशन, थोड़ा आगे जो रास्ता जा रहा है वहाँ पे एक स्ट्रीट लाइट है। स्ट्रीट लाइट के जस्ट आगे एक ऑटो खड़ा है। मैं बोला चलो चांस लेते जाते हैं, स्टेशन तो पहुँचते। तो गए वहाँ पे, एंड आई लाइक बीट ऑन द ऑटो रिक्शा, नॉट माई सेल्फ। एंड
हम लोग सोच भी नहीं रहे थे वो।
अभी तूने बोला तो दिमाग में आ गया।
वही तो मेरा काम है। सो आई बीट ऑन दी ऑटो, एंड नेक्स्ट थिंग आई नो इज दिस ऑटो वाला, आई वांट टू डू दिस। सो द ऑटो वाला इज लुकिंग एट मी, एंड दिस इज लिटरली हिज रिएक्शन। ही इज आई एम लाइक भैया चलोगे सर, आप जिधर बोलोगे मैं जाऊँगा, बस आप मेरा बात सुनो। क्या हो भाई सर, बात सुनो, मैं अभी हैंडल खींचेगा, ठीक है, मैं हैंडल खींचेगा, जैसा ही मैं हैंडल खींचा आपको कूदना है ऑटो में। हाँ सर प्लीज कूद जाओ, ठीक है भाई। तो ये लिटरली वो लाइक 1 2 3 पुल, एंड आई एम लाइक कूल। हाँ फिलहाल मैं ऑटो की बैक सीट पर से लेटा हुआ हूँ, देन आई एम लाइक इसको मेरे पीछे कुछ दिखा लगता है। सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग आई डू इज, वो ऑटो के पीछे वो ऑक्यूलर से छोटा सा विंडो रहता है ना, तो विंडो से देखता है, एंड जस्ट बिफोर आई एक्चुअली लुक अप आई एम लिसनिंग टू
African dance.
लाइक वेरी एक्यूरेट, उधर से ही जाता है। अरे उसका कजिन है उधर, सही बात है। सो
You're hearing the third.
थर्ड का आवाज आना चालू हुआ है, एंड आई लुक अप, द फकिंग लेपर्ड chasing after my fucking auto even after it started. वो रोड पे 2 स्ट्रीट लाइट के बीच में नहीं तो 150 मीटर 100-150 मीटर का डिस्टेंस है। तो स्ट्रीट लाइट चेस क्या हो भड़वा हमको।
भाड़वा
कि चूते पहले रिक्शा मैंने देखे थे कांडो। मैं पागल
फास्टेस्ट एनिमल भाई.
अबे वो चीता होता है, चूती है.
So this fucking
बोल रहा मैं इतने टाइम से बोल रहा हूँ अंधेरी चलेगा मानो जो सुनता नहीं है.
चिंता इसको, अरे बहुत शेयरिंग है यार. ग्रेट स्टोरी.
और फिर
बट प्रॉप
रिक्शा, एक मिनट, रिक्शा लेपर्ड से फास्ट है.
भाई देखो होगा नहीं होगा उस दिन था. दिख रहा कुछ ऐसा कटेला फटेला कुछ दिख रहा है? नहीं ना.
ब्रो, प्रॉप्स टू दिस रिक्शा वाला.
Bro, seriously, save my fucking life, bro.
Yeah.
And हम लोग पहुंचते
Because
हैं.
by the way, jumping into rickshaw is how you get a rickshaw at Sakinaka also.
True. It's also how you do it at Goregaon station.
पूछने का.
I mean he could have just gone okay.
Yeah, man, he could have fucked the fuck off, dude.
Or even worse, boss OTP देना ना. For
तभी उबर ऑटो मुंबई में नहीं था.
नहीं, बट इसको देखना, ये जब ऐसा कर रहा है, ही इज सेइंग द लेपर्ड मस्ट बी रनिंग फ्रॉम बिहाइंड. थोड़ी इसके पीछे खड़ा
नहीं,
था.
leopard must be crouching. No.
Dude, he was fucking stalking me.
He is talking.
That's what he fucking saw. उसका गांड इसीलिए तो फटा. स्टॉकिंग के चक्कर में मैं भी जाऊंगा.
वो लेपर्ड तेरा इंस्टाग्राम देख रहा है.
नहीं. It's too disappointing for that.
What a great story, bro. Give it up, yeah, give it up for Dana. Make some noise.
क्या बात है.
So the story is basically all the girls will agree, when you're a woman and you're standing alone in a public place, people think they can just come up to you and say anything. So this has happened to me at least 3 times, and all of them were at bus stops in my home city of Hyderabad.
At this point you're like bus stop.
Bus stop.
बहुत हो गया.
Yeah, the pandemic actually made me a car owner and driver. So now this is not happening to me anymore.
Amazing. हाँ.
So yeah, one of the times was this is the nodal point of in Hyderabad we have Secunderabad railway station, so that's where this happened. And this person comes up to my friends and me, and we are in college. Okay, we're really young at this time, and he comes up to us and he sees that. So bus pe likha hota hai na ki it goes from this point to that point. So it says Secunderabad railway station to Suchitra, which is another whatever.
Another girl.
It's like Secunderabad to this person called
Yeah,
Suchitra.
सीधा सुचित्रा के घर पे.
So he comes to us and he's like, "This bus go Suchitra?" And we're like, "Clearly, yes." And
Are you Suchitra? No? Then what's your name? Hi. उसका प्लानिंग अलग है.
Wow.
so he starts doing this whole bit where he's trying to, be cool and talk to girls.
I think that ended with this bus Suchitra.
Wait, what do
He
you
was trying.
You basically mean that he was putting on the I am talking to girls personality.
Yeah.
Huh.
And
Because guys have that.
Yeah.
Guys have a I am talking to girls personality.
Voice because थोड़ा baritone
Yeah.
रहता है.
No, and then just eyes become a little narrow. Head becomes.
अरे Suchitra.
You go. I also go.
then so he was smoking, and
Oh,
because,
wow, what a stylish guy.
very, and I'm just getting to how stylish he is. Yeah. So he and because we were journalism students and all that, we were also a little dead hushar. Okay. So I told him this was around the time that smoking in public had been banned in the country.
2008.
2008-9, yeah.
हाँ,
Yeah.
yeah.
जब मुकेश मरा था. He was a friend.
So I said, smoking in public is not allowed.
Wait 1 second. Your reply to
This Suchitra bus
is smoking in
Smoking in public is not allowed.
not-
हाँ क्योंकि ऐसे स्मोक करके सीधा मुंह पे मार रहा है स्मोक. Of course she'll say that.
And he made a big show of putting out his cigarette, and he said, "Oh,
अपने हाथ पे.
This was no Suchitra.
And so when I said this, he said, "Oh, I don't know. Maybe because I'm Anglo-Indian, you know, half Indian, half Anglo."
Half Indian,
Anglo.
half Anglo.
Anglo.
Half Anglo.
Half Anglo.
Anglo. Then he went on to how cool he actually is because he said, "I am DJ Taj."
Taj.
Taj.
What is a Taj?
Taj.
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 But
He
he's
said it like that.
but he's Anglo. So Anglo put H.
Taj. Oh, Taj.
Tharur.
Taj. Like that. Yeah.
Oh, I went to visit the Taj. Huh.
So he was DJ Taj. You come check me.
But Anglo don't believe in sentence construction proper. Why Anglo talk like that?
लाइक देख मेरे बाप दादा ने लैंग्वेज बना दिया मैं थोड़े वर्ड्स डालूंगा तू सेंटेंस बना खुद से
So you come check.
You come check me.
Check me. Huh.
And my friend, who again,
He's
curious.
saying this. Oh no, your friend is there.
My friend is there. We are three girls. The third one is just like this the whole time.
ऐसे?
Something like that.
अच्छा.
And
She's terrified.
yeah, she's terrified.
You're curious. She's terrified.
Right.
And second
the
one was
is
इंटरेस्टिंग
the cook.
यस टेल मी मोर ताज
So the third one, she is, for context, she is this huge Kishore Kumar fan and all of that. Okay, so she says, you know, oh yeah, okay, I'll come check you, but I don't do all this. So he says, you don't like music, and she says, I hate music. So she's also seeing how far this can go in her own way. This is, I hate music. And so he's like, oh yeah, I know you are all full study type. And this girl has represented Hyderabad in the under-19 cricket team.
Yeah.
Not at all study
she is
type.
fully sports.
And then after all this happens, this man who was so interested to go Suchitra, once the bus driver and conductor got in the bus, he just niklod.
ही गोस
He
सुचित्रा
goes, and then I've never seen him again in my life, of course. So this guy comes up to. So okay, little bit of context again. I had just started working at this place, and the bus stop there, yeah. There are a lot of junior colleges out there. I think I don't have to explain junior college in Mumbai, right?
No,
Because
no,
you
you
guys
don't.
have the same.
No. Mostly
Yeah.
they didn't go, but
Yeah.
they're there.
Awareness hai.
Basically, they let those kids out at the same time, and I say let those kids out because it is that kind of an atmosphere. But anyway, so it's a crowded place, okay? So I'm like, nothing can go wrong here because, you know, what can he do is the point. So this man comes up. He's wearing a, you know, kurta, jhola, looks very serious and all. And he comes and stops right in front of me and starts talking. And he says, पहले के ज़माने में अपन हैदराबाद में कैसे थे? अपन पेड़ से एप्पल ऐसे तोड़ के ऐसे खाते थे. उसमें कुछ मिलाते नहीं थे.
Was he pushing an apple cart while
No.
just selling
No.
मेरा and ऐसा स्टोरी बनाने के बाद ये लो 1 डजन.
Wait, 1 second.
I don't know what was in the jhola though.
Oh shit.
Did he speak in the Hyderabadi Hindi?
Yeah.
Can you speak in that?
She did know.
मालूम.
Yeah.
तुझे कुछ और चाहिए था ना. You wanted अरे मियाँ एप्पल तोड़ते हम झाड़ से.
ये वाला
वही होना था.
वही चला था. हाँ, but what a great line. What a starting line. पहले के जमाने में हम एप्पल तोड़ने का खाने का.
तोड़ते थे खाते थे उसमें कुछ मिलाते नहीं थे.
ओके ब्यूटी देखा इसका सीधा देखो स्टोरी के बीच में लेके
बीच में.
अरे पहले क्या
तू तो एप्पल के बारे में हाँ एप्पल तो हम ऐसे ही खाते थे
हाँ.
कॉन्वर्सेशन
हाँ.
डोंट आस्क हाय हे हाउ आर यू ताज नहीं एप्पल कैसे खाते थे अपन कॉन्वर्सेशन
Never mind that apples don't grow in Hyderabad.
Correct.
अरे बट खा तो सकता है
पर उन्हें
पहले के
उन्हें
झाड़ से
तोड़ने
कहाँ
की
से
बात
तोड़
कर
रहा है तू?
अच्छा झाड़ है नहीं एप्पल के
नहीं, सिर्फ बिरयानी.
एप्पल बिरयानी.
जैकफ्रूट बिरयानी है तो
हाँ जैक फ्रूट बिरयानी है.
दैट लर्न समथिंग एप्पल ट्री नहीं ग्रो होते हैदराबाद में
Apparently no.
होगा
Who
नहीं?
knows?
अच्छा
It's
ठीक है
very
नॉट
भाई
इम्पोर्टेंट
इतने कमेंट्स आने वाले. हाउ डेयर यू से देयर इज नो एप्पल्स इन
I
हैदराबाद.
am growing it right now. See photo.
हाँ एप्पल तोड़ के खाते
एप्पल तोड़ के उसमें
मिलाने
ऐसा
का
मिलाने का नहीं ऐसे ही खाते थे ना. एंड आई एम लाइक आई गेस एंड ही इज लाइक आप वो एप्पल की तरह हो.
ये ऐसे क्या फ्लैट
बट यू कैन जस्ट आप एप्पल हो,
हाँ
हम एप्पल को तोड़ के कैसे खाते थे.
These are pickup lines if you are Newton.
हम एप्पल कैसा खाते थे जब वो गिरता था, ग्रेविटी.
New ways to objectify.
हाँ.
So
So you are now Apple.
I have Apple apparently.
इडियट. हाँ
And then suddenly he says, मैं कुछ दिन पहले डॉक्टर के पास गया था.
Unpredictable.
आई थिंक शी इज गोइंग, ये मेरे पे भी ट्राई हुआ है. शी इज गोइंग यस यस दिस
We'll come to all of you all. One
Yeah.
second. Wait, so Apple, then doctor.
Yeah, doctor,
So,
non sequitur.
Apple is now finished.
Apple is done now.
Now
doctor
next
go.
is doctor. Okay.
So he said, मैं डॉक्टर के वहाँ पे था, वेटिंग रूम में था, और वहाँ पे कुछ हस्बैंड वाइफ दिख रहे थे मेरे को, और वो लोग एक दूसरे से बात नहीं कर रहे थे. हस्बैंड वाइफ बात करना चाहिए, प्रॉब्लम एक दूसरे को समझाना चाहिए. औरत को बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, मर्द को समझना पड़ता. I said, oh, okay, now there's feminism coming in, apparently.
Wow. हाँ.
So he
I
said,
thought he was going to say पहले के जमाने में इंजेक्शन कैसे लेते थे मियाँ? बिल्कुल अडल्ट्रेटेड. तुम इंजेक्शन.
At least that would make sense. Right now, this is going nowhere. He's just said, I was in a waiting room, saw couples, they don't talk, लड़की having problem.
हाँ, they should communicate.
They should communicate.
औरत को प्रॉब्लम है, मर्द को समझना पड़ता.
समझने का, हाँ.
So then he said, हाँ, औरत को बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. I said, हाँ, अच्छा. Then he said, मर्द को आने में टाइम लगता. And I said, I'm thinking, is he talking about compassion? Like, you know, मर्द को
There is some
compassion आने में
compassion.
टाइम लगता है. Like,
कुछ तो है. There is come and passion. Hyphenated.
मर्द को
आने में टाइम.
या
मेरे को समझने में टाइम लगा, लेकिन
वही मर्द को आने में टाइम लगा.
oh fuck, where has he reached?
Where has he reached?
It started from Apple.
And I'm clueless, okay? I don't know
Right now,
what he's talking
You
about.
are thinking compassion.
I don't even remember exactly what I was thinking,
Oh, sure,
because it was just all so bizarre. And then he said, and I said, I must have been like, what? And he's like, हाँ, मर्द को आने में टाइम लगता, लेकिन औरत को बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, मर्द को समझना पड़ता. I said, ठीक है, but what, like मर्द, what? He's like, हाँ, मर्द को आने में टाइम लगता. And I'm still clueless, okay? And then he goes, intercourse.
Yuck.
What fucking bus stop is this? क्या चल रहा है हैदराबाद में भाई?
You know something? I can't believe that at the end of this story, DJ Taj comes out as a gentleman. So he just leaned in and said, intercourse.
Wait, then after that?
I think I was just thinking, but from everything I've heard, isn't it the other way around? But like,
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
don't know what you're talking about. But and then he says that, and I'm baffled. And then he says, आपको देख के पता चलता आपसे बात कर सकते. आप अच्छे, आप बहुत अच्छे हो. Myself, Narsingh Rao, 42 years. Walks away. Never seen him again. And I worked out of that office, and I commuted by bus again for like more than 2.5 years. Never saw him again. He wasn't there to catch a bus, nothing. He came, said all this, left.
But can I tell you, for the next 2 years, did you think you'd meet him? Like you like nursing?
No, I had a life.
I think he just had nightmares. No, nothing.
42 years.
42 years.
So this guy just goes around doing this, I think.
This is the world's worst dating profile.
I think he is nursing a mental illness.
He is. Well done. Well done.
Shit.
Man, horrifying. And the crazy part is, I feel like in all the stories, none of the people wanted the bus. Not one.
All wanted passenger.
All wanted passenger.
You see, you stood there the whole time and you heard this Chutia story.
Yeah, my bus
How long
hadn't come.
was this? इसका Netflix अलग ही है कुछ. Tell me.
आने में टाइम लगा बस को.
Give it up for Parvati, guys. Make some noise. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
It's a great story.
Hi, I'm Sneha Thomas. I work as an instructional designer. So, for context, I'm a 4G kid in the sense that my father served in the armed forces. So, this happened in 1999. Kargil was on. We were in Gurdaspur and we were supposed to move from Pune to J&K. The unit was in Pune. And my father from Gurdaspur traveled to Pune. And we thought that, okay, for a couple more days, since I also had my break, we'll travel with him so that we get those a couple of days with him. If you've gone to an army cantonment and if you know somebody, you're like family. So they say, you come stay with us, right? And you've known them for a couple of years. So there was this family friend who was there, whose husband was also supposed to leave with the contingent. And they said, come stay with us. We're like, okay, fine. So the shift has happened. My father has left. I still had a week long of break. So my mother thought, let's just stick along. Going back home doesn't really feel great. So we thought of extending our stay. And in that, so I used to have ear pain pretty frequently because jumping around, air pressure, whatever. So I complained of ear pain and my mother didn't have medication for it then. And so the auntie who was in that house, she was like, even if you pour a little rum, it has the same reaction as warm oil. I knew you would stop me there.
यहाँ पे पब्लिक क्या रम से मालिश कर रही है?
When can we meet her?
Pour it in the ear, not in your mouth.
I love this aunt. She's like, आपको
No, अगर उसको कान में दर्द है, दारू पिला भूल जाएगी. My parents did that when I was young. If I didn't sleep, they would give little brandy.
I got that for cough. Like cherry brandy was.
You give little bit.
मेरे पेरेंट्स तो ऐसे क्लोरोफॉर्म. अरे क्या भाई बीट अराउंड द बुश. ऐसे सर पे एक मार ही दो ना एक.
So auntie has come. She said, pour rum in her ear.
Yeah, like half a cap of.
Half a cap.
Half a cap.
Okay, not 30.
Of old monk rum.
नहीं पूरा पे.
You have to put coke with that.
Plain, neat.
Please चकना भी डाल ले थोड़ा साइड में. चकले.
आइस क्यूब घुसाने की.
पापड़ कान में जनता बार खुल गया. अभी मेरे कान में बिल्कुल दर्द नहीं है. हाँ तो she put
Okay.
old monk.
No, she hasn't put it yet.
Oh, she
suggested it.
अच्छा.
So, as I won't say it's common in all houses, in most of the 4G houses, you have a bar cabinet. And there was a bottle of Old Monk with just a little bit more rum left in it. And same color, no difference, nothing. Now, this is important. The color is important and the quantity is important. Because why else would she pick up that bottle? Because she doesn't want to drink it or make me drink it. It's just she needs a little bit. So I'm lying down on the bed to the side. She's got this bottle. She's poured a little bit in the cap. And she poured maybe like a couple of drops in my ear, okay? And I have screamed. Like it's a visceral scream. I don't think I've ever screamed like that in my life. And I'm 7 years old. Mind that, I've just given my second standard exams. And I'm 7 years old. The first thing she notices, obviously the scream, and then it's like the pillow dissolving.
Pillow dissolving.
The pillow is dissolving.
Yeah, I'll explain.
I mean, there's only one way to explain dissolve.
Yeah,
It's this and then it dissolves.
Yeah, it's melting away at this point, and I'm screaming. So she's turned me over, and your first reaction to anybody saying it's burning is pour water, which is something she should not have done.
Yeah.
So she's poured water, and then obviously the contingent has left. So there are hardly any men in any of the houses around us. It's a 4G cantonment. The 4G bhaiyas are not there. So my mother at this point has picked me up. She's running, and this auntie is screaming that somebody will stop because it's at 10 in the night. And 10 in the night in 1999 is like everything has shut down. There's nothing. So thankfully, this one 4G bhaiya on his cycle was coming, and they said, "Can you please help us?" And he made me sit because obviously he could not have taken my mother and me, so he made me sit I don't know if you remember, cycles used to have the small seat in the front. So he made me sit there and he took me to the nearest clinic that was open. I remember that man's face like it was yesterday. This guy is standing. This bhaiya has explained that this child has a burn. And he has looked at me and said, "Kaan kaatna padega."
Oh, fuck.
I don't think I have internalized the pain yet.
It's
but
internal.
As in, I don't think it's hit me yet how intense the pain is. But listening to that, I have fainted at this point. Because what do you expect a 7-year-old to do?
Correct.
So after that, I don't remember anything of that night then. So they took me to an army hospital after that. And they then found out that it wasn't rum. It was sulfuric acid.
Fuck. An old monk का color मतलब was concentrated sulfuric acid.
Why was it in the bar cabinet?
So my mother and I have spoken of, we've had 2 theories.
Oh, I want to hear these.
One is that, so it's very common again in Fauji houses that the sweeper bhaiya comes and cleans. So he does get some sort of acid. I'm not sure if it's sulfuric acid. I don't think it is.
It's got acid
diluted.
in it. So
What is he cleaning? The pillows?
No, the tiles and all.
you don't clean the pillow, you dissolve it.
Yeah, you deserve.
ना रहेगा pillow, ना रहेगा सफाई.
I could be wrong about the kind of acid they use, but it could be that when he got it, since it's in a plastic bottle, the bhaiya might have given him a replacement bottle, and nobody in the house realized that this bottle was for that, and he might have accidentally kept it in the bar cabinet. The other is a little more sinister, that maybe somebody purposely kept it.
That one, Netflix.
Yeah. Yeah, I watched too many crime documentaries, so yeah, that's where that's coming
Holy
from.
moly. So, but have you explored option 2?
I mean,
Did you feel-
after that, obviously, like, my ear at this point has been disintegrating because my triggers are fallen off the next day. So it's bad. It's really bad. My eardrum is ruptured, obviously. My tunnel. So all of that has happened. But funnily enough, I was upset about only one thing, that I can't wear earrings for a long time.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah. And since it happened when I was so young, it never felt like a disability to me. It mostly feels like a them problem than a me problem, because people have to repeat things. And sometimes I just mimic the same expression.
Sorry, what?
I don't do that. I hardly do that. So if you're talking to me and I know that this guy doesn't know I'm half deaf, like even when you were putting the chairs, I was a little concerned that what if you put it on that side, because this is the side I'm deaf on. So a lot.
So
of
right now, what is it? You can't hear from this side?
Yeah, this is like, yeah, this doesn't work.
But earring है.
Earring लगा लिया 18 साल के बाद.
Come on.
But I had to wait till 18 and get a surgery, which didn't work. But anyway, so.
Wow.
But please give it up for Sneha. That is.
No, we're laughing now, but it's
okay,
scary. It's
No, but
scary.
I think it's a great.
Yeah.
No, props to you, because
Yeah, props to you,
you've been
damn.
so.
It's a great conversation start. I have never met another person who has an acid burn in these circumstances.
Yeah.
Like, generally it's much more sinister, unfortunately, but
No, but that is an incredible story. And I'm glad you shared it, genuinely, because
Yeah, thank
And
you.
thank you for being so chill about it.
yeah. I don't think it's easy to share a story like this. I don't think it's easy to come up and forget sharing the story. I think it's not easy to have this much joy, because even she had sent her email in and she said that, you know what, I'm fully chill about this. This is, you know, a conversation starter for me. So Sneha, this
That's
is
amazing.
Yeah,
I
that's
don't know if it's okay to share, but I have a 5-year-old son. So he's always seen me like this. So he has developed a habit where he knows I can't hear from one side. So if he has to come tell me a secret, he'll check which ear it is. So he'll turn my head and
so
tell me the secret. So yeah. So Aiden as a parent, I mean, he's adapted to that. So
That's
great.
amazing. Give it up.
Wow.
Give it up.
Super.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Damn.
superb.
They are cheering.
Yeah.
Thank you. That was amazing. Give it up for Sneha, guys.
That's it from this episode of Makasam. New episodes drop every Friday. We'd love to hear your unbelievable stories, so mail them in at tismakasam@gmail.com.